Hey, guess what? The hashtags on Instagram are back. If you remember, Instagram had disabled hashtag, especially in the United States because of the elections. Guess what? Hashtags are back on Instagram. So in this video, that's what we're going to talk about, and also what your strategy should be for hashtags moving forward. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to my Instagram, and let me show you what I mean by when I say hashtags are back. So for example, here's my Instagram account. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should do that right now as well. And if I go to one of these hashtags, let's say I go to one of the hashtag Dallas business, that's the hashtag I use. You see right here, so the recent posts are, that section is back. So that's what Instagram had disabled to prevent from, because of the elections. Basically, they wanted to prevent the spread of false information. So that section is now back, which means, guess what? You could be getting more reach, engagement from your hashtags, right? So what should you do? You know, the strategy to moving forward. Well, first of all, yeah, hashtags are back. I'm excited because we're gonna get more reach and engagement from hashtag, and hopefully, you know, more followers and the growth for our business as far as the leads are concerned, right? Now, here's what I would suggest that you do. So hopefully you already had the different sets of hashtags. Here are different sets of hashtags that I have, and these are, I've done research and I've saved these hashtags based on the different type of content I post. For example, I post about Facebook marketing, so these 25 hashtags are for that. I post about Instagram marketing, these hashtags are for that topic. So based on different type of content you post, hopefully you already have. You've been watching my content, right? And you already have different sets based on different themes that you post. Now, obviously, you probably have been using these all along, which is cool. But what I would suggest is go back to your tool that you use for hashtag research. In my case, I use, let's bring it on the screen. The tool I use for hashtag research is called Flick. I have several tutorials about this tool. I'll leave a link in the description too. But go back and look at your hashtags again, just to make sure nothing looks funny. Like sometimes the hashtag that you were using in the past, that hashtag is banned now. So you want to make sure your hashtags are clean, and you can use tool like Flick to do that as well. So here I am logged into Flick, and here are different collections. So I have some collections saved inside Flick as well. So for example, one of my collection is Dallas business. So when I go inside that, I can review all of my hashtags again. You know, I can see the competition score, the potential reach, daily active post count, right? And also the average likes and posts made. And guess what, guys? The reason I picked these hashtags and saved them in a collection inside Flick, because these are relevant and I actually have a chance to get ranked in these hashtags. That's why I picked them, and that's why this tool Flick is super, super powerful. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave a link to Flick, which is gonna be my affiliate link in the description below. So feel free to check it out. You can sign up. I believe you can try this tool for free for a couple of weeks, I believe. But it's one of the best tools when it comes to Instagram hashtags. So make sure you review your hashtags, nothing is banned, and everything, all the daily active post count, average likes, post made, they're all still like relevant. One other thing I'll show you, another reason why I love, look at this section right here. So I can see the recently ranked hashtags. So some of the hashtags that I've been ranking recently, that's very powerful. Not many tools do that. So not only this tool helps you find the best hashtags for your account size, you can also see the recently ranked, the top performing hashtags too. So very, very powerful tool, Flick. But yes, I'm super, super excited that hashtags are back on Instagram, and we will be able to use hashtags and then, you know, grow our account, attract more people, help more people, and also generate leads and sales for our businesses. If you have any questions about Instagram or maybe Flick, leave those in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.